Good morning children. Today we are going to learn Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography. I believe everybody is able to understand yesterday's class. Before going to learn this autobiography, let us learn the meaning of the words. If you do not know the meaning of the words, definitely you are too difficult to understand the concept of the story. That is the reason the class begins with meaning of the words. First you should write the meaning of the words. Let us learn the concept of the story, concept of the prose. Come on children. Repeated, redone, system, method, enough, sufficient, wet, chalked, interest, enthusiasm, potential, capability or ability, facilities, resources, keen, eager, seriously, earnestly, priority, preference, objections, protesters, excess, surplus, energies, powers, channeled, effort, attempt, worrying, survive, persist, intense, forceful, immense, great, and the next one, listen children, immense, great, satisfaction, immense, great, next word, satisfaction, satisfaction is the noun form, satisfy. On reading the word, you are easy to understand, but when you are going to choose the synonyms, it is too difficult. That is the reason you should know the meaning of the words. Understand? Contentment, Contentment. And the next one, drained, 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 exhausted or tired. Without faith, you should write the meaning of the words in your textbook. It is too essential for all. Okay, children, let us learn the remaining part of his autobiography. Listen carefully, dears.
Before going to learn the continuous part of the story, let us recall what we learned in the previous class. Listen carefully, children. During his school days, Sachin Tendulkar played tennis ball cricket with his colony friends. He played tennis ball as a cricket ball with his colony friends. He was fond of watching cricket on television. His favorite players are Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richards. He was not only going to observe his favorite players' peculiar behaviors, but also he tried always to follow their behaviors, follow their attitudes. Not only Sachin Tendulkar interested in watching batting, but also he was fond of watching bowling. Understand? Sachin Tendulkar brother name was Ajit. Sachin Tendulkar started his education in New English School in Mumbai. Understand kana? New English School in Mumbai, but his brother happened to find the best comparison Sharadasram Vidya Mandir to other schools in Mumbai, because Sachin Tendulkar gives the most important to the game of cricket. Understand? In this school cricket coach name was Ramakant Achrigar. Understand? He was the best coach. Due to his best coaching, extraordinary coaching, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir School becomes a famous school for cricket. Understand kana? And the next one, sir conducted the summer camps also. Understand? One day Ajit wanted Sachin to get the training of playing cricket under sir. Understand? And the next one, and also Sachin Tendulkar mentioned the beautiful moments in his life journey in his autobiography. Understand? Achrigar sir started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943. In the and Sachin Tendulkar also started playing cricket at the age of 11 in Sir camp. Understand, children? And next one, and many people gathered around him in the camp, so he was afraid. He had a sense of afraid and confusion. He did not bat well in the nets, and also he did not have a experiences of batting in the nets before. Understand, Kana? Whenever sir asked him to bat, he felt uncomfortable, and also sir watched him closely. Due to uncomfortable, he was not good at batting. Yeah, and also sir also noticed his batting, that he was not good at batting because he was not good at batting. He failed to impress sir. Understand? Failed to impress sir. On watching his batting, sir, understand, Kana? And watching his batting, sir called his brother. On watching his batting, sir called his brother away from the other people to inform that Sachin, he was too young. He was too young. He was unable to bat in the nets, so he asked. He was rejected by the sir in the camp. He asked him to bring. Sir asked Ajit to bring Sachin Tendulkar little older because he was young. With, understand, children? And but Ajit knew Sachin Tendulkar ability of playing cricket because he saw his brother playing cricket with his colony friends. Without his brother compulsion and requestation, Sachin Tendulkar could not enter the Mumbai cricket circuit. His dreams could have ended in failure without his brother's support. Ajit explained sir about Sachin Tendulkar's ability. Due to the sense of fear, he could not bat well, and also due to sir presence, he could not bat well. That is the reason Ajit asked Acharya sir to give one more chance to Sachin Tendulkar for batting again, and sir also accepted that. Sir, after giving a chance to Sachin Tendulkar, he wished to notice Sachin Tendulkar batting from a distance places, and when Sachin hit the ball well, he appreciated his batting, and also Sachin Tendulkar was selected in the summer camp. It was a turning point in his life journey. Isn't it or not, children? What was the turning point in his life journey? Do you all understand? He started his summer practice at Shivaji Park. Understand, Kana? He was an early bird. He was too punctual to engage the practice on time. He would spend 40 minutes to travel from his house Bandara to Shivaji Park. He was a young boy. That is the reason his father gave company for few days with him. And while traveling, they had a beautiful conversations. His brother used to talk about the techniques of batting. Understand, Kana? Techniques of batting. Sachin Tendulkar also enjoyed listening to his brother's guidance, and also Sachin Tendulkar wrote his brother's techniques of batting as a note that should be followed throughout his career. He told that it is a personal coaching manual throughout his career. His brother's ideas are personal coaching manual throughout his year. Understand, children? Let us learn the today's part. Listen carefully, children. I believe everybody is able to remember the last class story. Listen. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun, and I would wear them again in the afternoon. Understand? He was a child. Who was a child? Sachin Tendulkar was a child. Yeah, he started playing cricket at the age of 11. He was a 11 years old child. So he had only one set of cricket clothes. After finishing the after finishing the morning session, he used to wash the clothes because he needed the clothes for evening session practice. Do you all understand, children? He started playing cricket at the age of 11. He had a one set of cricket clothes, but he had a two session. He had a one set of cricket clothes. After completing the each session, one session, he was going to wash his clothes for the next session. Do you all understand, children? While he had a lunch, the dresses would dry out in the sun. After washing, he made the dress. He made the dress dry out in the. Do you understand, children? After washing the clothes, he made the dress dry out in the sun to wear to engage the evening session practice. He needed the dress for. He needed the clothes. Cricket. He needed the cricket clothes for next session practice. Understand? And the next one, listen carefully. He did not have any other set of cricket clothes. After finishing the evening session, let's what he was going to do. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. Understand? Yeah. He did not have any other set of cricket clothes. After finishing the evening session practice, he did the same thing because he needed the dress for next day morning practice. Do you all understand, children? It was too difficult to do this, to engage the practice. The system worked well. Apart from my pockets, there was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp I played with wet pockets. Listen carefully, children. This method of washing his clothes was the best thing except for his pocket. By all the parts of the dress, all the parts of the clothes would be dried except for his pocket. Yeah, he did not have any other clothes, so the entire practicing time, the entire session, the entire camp, during the camp time, he played with wet pockets. Do you all understand, children? Let us continue to learn. By the middle of the summer camp, sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months, informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school, the New English School in Bandara, did not have cricket facilities, and sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Listen carefully, children. Let us learn the theme of these points. Listen carefully, children. Just now we have learned Sachin Tendulkar played entire duration of the camp with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, there what happened? Listen carefully, dears. Yeah, listen carefully, children. Ramakant Achhaga sir identified that Sachin Tendulkar had an infinitive power in this field. Sir paid a great attention on Sachin Tendulkar batting, and also sir motivated Sachin Tendulkar to bat well at the end of the 2 months of the summer camp. Sir observed his extraordinary batting. Sachin Tendulkar extraordinary batting, and also Sir told his brother Ajit that if he had a practice throughout a year, he would become a successful cricketer. He would become a good cricketer. His coach guessed that. Sachin Tendulkar coach Ramakant Achhaga sir guessed that on the day he had a ability to become a successful cricketer. He had a good opinion about Sachin Tendulkar. Definitely he had an infinitive power in this field. He became a successful cricketer in the field. That is the reason he would be that is the reason he was one of the famous cricketers in the world. Understand, children? Yeah, he studied at the time he joined the summer camp only. No, at the time he studied in New English School in Bandara. In this school did not have cricket facilities. By the means there was no facilities in this school. Understand Kana? Understand or not Kana? If he would like to play cricket, sir conveyed a great opinion about Sachin Tendulkar. If he would like to play cricket seriously, if he changed the school, from Bandara to Sharadasram school, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir school. Understand children? Sir showed a great interest. Sir showed a great interest to change his school from Bandara New English School to Sharadasram school, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, because he had a bright future in this field. Who had a bright future in this field? Sachin Tendulkar had a bright future in this field. He had an infinitive power in this field. Understand Kana? He had a potential to be a good cricketer. That is a reason Sir asked Ajit to change Sachin Tendulkar education from Bandara to New English School to Sharadasram Vidya Mandir school. Vidya Mandir. Understand or not children? Because Sharadasram Vidya Mandir school, Sir was a coach. Due to his best extraordinary coaching, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir becomes a famous school for cricket. Understand or not Kana? Yeah. If Sachin interested in cricket, if he would like to play cricket seriously, if Sachin Tendulkar would like to play cricket seriously, if he changed the school from Bandara to Sharadasram Vidya Mandir school. Understand or not children? Do you all understand up to thought? Listen carefully. Before going to learn the next paragraph, let us answer to the while reading questions. Listen carefully children. What routine did Sachin follow in washing his clothes? Sachin washed his cricket clothes as soon as he returned from the morning session. He would dry the clothes out in the sun and wear them for evening session. He repeated this routine in the evening too also. Understand or not Kana? Throughout the during the summer camp, he played with the wet pocket. Because there was no time to dry out in the pocket. Every part of the clothes would dry except his pocket. Understand? What did Achriga inform Ajit? Achriga sir informed Ajit that Sachin had a potential to be a good cricketer, if he practiced all year round. If he practiced throughout the year, 1 year. He wanted Sachin to change schools if he wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Understand or not Kana? Understand? If he played cricket as a profession, if he wanted to play cricket as his profession, definitely Sir asked Ajit to change his school from Bandara to Sharadasram Vidya Mandir school in Mumbai. Do you all understand children? Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Listen carefully dears. One evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestions. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. Listen carefully children. Up to priority, let us learn the meaning of these lines. Listen carefully dear. One day evening, Sir was going to express his opinion to Sachin Tendulkar's father. As a coach, he had a responsibility to bring out Sachin Tendulkar talents. When Sir suggested his opinion about Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Tendulkar brother also, along with his father in the room. Do you all understand children? Yeah. They did not. Sachin Tendulkar father and Ajit did not speak anything against Sir's opinion. Yeah, they were going to accept his suggestion if Sachin Tendulkar would give the first preference to the game of cricket. Understand Kana? understand, who had a responsibility to bring out the talents as a coach. Ramakant Achakar sir had a responsibility to bring out a Sachin Tendulkar talents to make him a good cricketer, to make him good cricketer in the world. Understand or not, children? Let us continue to. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. Yeah, his his father, Sachin Tendulkar's father, asked Sachin to sit down to explain about his acceptance of changing the school from Bandara to Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir in Mumbai. Understand or not, Kanna? He clearly explained that. Who clearly explained that? Sachin Tendulkar's father clearly explained that he did not protest of changing the schools. If he would play cricket seriously, he would give the most importance about playing the game of cricket. Do you all understand, children? After taking strong decision, taking strong decision, he joined to get education in Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir School in Mumbai. Understand or not, Kana? Understand or not? Understand, if he played cricket seriously, understand, if he played cricket as a entertainment, definitely his father did not allow him to change the schools from Bandara to Sharada Ashram School in Mumbai. Understand, if Sachin Tendulkar played cricket seriously as a profession, that is the reason his father would allow him to join the schools from New English School to Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir School in Mumbai. Understand or not, children? Let us continue to learn. I assured him. Who assured you? Who? Sachin Tendulkar assured his father. I was. And so it was agreed that I should move to Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir, where Achriga sir was the cricket coach. All my excess energy were getting channeled into cricket. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results. Listen carefully, children. Yeah, after taking strong decision, he determined to pursue his pursue cricket as his profession. After taking strong decision, he joined to get education in Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir School in Mumbai, as well as to get cricket practice. Achriga sir was a coach in the school. Due to his cricket coaching, he changed his school from Bandara to Shivaji Park, Bandara to Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir School in Mumbai. He channeled his excess energies into cricket. Who channeled his excess energy? Sachin Tendulkar channeled his excess energy into cricket. After joining the school, he was asked to direct all his energies into cricket. Understand, with whose guidance? With sir's guidance, with Sir Ramakant Achakar sir's guidance, his coach guidance. It is a safety valve for his profession. He used his talent to play cricket. His father would always ask him. His father would always ask him to do his best level without worrying about the results and not to expect the result. Listen, is it correct now, children? We do our best. Definitely we can get the expected result. Not only expected result, good result. Understand, we enjoy to do our work. Whatever we do, enjoy to do, definitely we can get the expected results. We are going to taste the fruit of success in our life journey. Yeah, he also did the same. His father also gave the advice like that. Understand or not, children? Let us continue to learn. Before going to learn the next paragraph, let us answer to the while reading questions. Listen carefully, children. What was the suggestion given by Achriga sir to Sachin's father? Listen carefully, dears. If Sachin was really serious about playing cricket as his profession, he should change schools. He should move to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Achaga sir was the cricket coach. Do you all understand, children? It was a suggestion given by Achaga sir to Sachin's father. What acted as a safety valve? Sachin channeled his excess energies into cricket. This acted as a safety valve for his profession. Understand, Kana? Let us continue to learn. Listen carefully. In my first year at Sharadashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. Yeah, he had a cricket practice in 60 days during the summer camp holidays. During the summer holidays, he utilized those days properly to learn the techniques of playing cricket. That is the reason he was able to play 55 practice matches in the first year Sharadashram school in Mumbai. Without practice, it was too difficult to play for him. Understand or not, Kana? The summer camp contained 2 sessions. How many sessions? 2 sessions. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 a.m. and ended at 4:30 p.m. Yeah. The summer camp contained with 2 sessions. Morning sessions commenced from 7:30 a.m. to end to 4:30 p.m. Listen carefully, children. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30-minute break. During the break, sir would give often me some money to go and have vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food. Understand, children? Listen carefully, children. After 4:30 p.m., he had a half an hour break. After the break, he had a evening session. Practice start at 5 p.m. Listen carefully, dears. Vada pav is the famous fast food in Mumbai. During the break, Achaga sir used to give him money for buying vada pav to have. Who asked to whom have a vada pav? After having, sir asked Sachin Tendulkar to have vada pav during the break by giving his money. Understand or not, Kana? After having vada pav, he engaged the evening session practice. Understand or not, children? Do you all understand the meaning of the paragraph? The first session, he utilized the summer camp properly. He utilized the summer camp to learn all the techniques of playing cricket. That is the reason he was able to play 55 practice matches in the first year at Sharadashram school. Understand, children? Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Listen carefully, dears. Between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I would have 5 more. Between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., I would have 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stumps, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. Listen carefully, children. It is very interesting. Evening session commenced from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Evening session was a net session. Understand? He wanted to play within the nets. Definitely, he was asked to play 5 more net sessions. Understand or not, Kana? And the next one, the last 15 minutes, what happened? Last 15 minutes of the net session, he had a difficult task. Who had a difficult task? Sachin Tendulkar had a difficult task. In this task, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump. Understand? It was the ultimate moment of the everyday practice. Understand? The last 15 minutes of the next session was the ultimate moment of the everyday practice. He was asked to play wholehearted attention to avoid getting stumped out. Understand or not, Kana? Sachin Tendulkar was asked to pay wholehearted attention to avoid getting stumped out, and also the coin was belonged to him. Understand or not, Kana? Who placed the coin? Sir placed the coin on the top of the stump. Understand or not, Kana? If he played carefully to avoid stump out, definitely the coin would be belonged to whom? Sachin Tendulkar. In this session, what happened? And next one, in this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Listen carefully, children. Yeah, it was too difficult to play. You know how many boys? 60 to 70 boys were fielding. Keep in the mind. In this session, every bowlers in the ground should bowl the ball. Understand? Should bowl the ball to him with 60 to 70 boys fielding. It was too difficult to manage. Avoid getting stumped out to one rupee coin which placed by sir. Understand or not, Kana? Yeah, he was too difficult to survive the last 15 minutes of the camp because 60 to 70 boys were waiting to catch his ball. How many? 60 to 70 boys in the camp were waiting to catch his ball, and also he avoided getting stumped out. Otherwise, he had a punishment. Was given by sir to Sachin Tendulkar. 60 to 70 boys were waiting to make him catch out. Understand, Kana? Were waiting to make him catch out. And the next one, every bowler should bowl the ball to him. Understand? And after winning the session, what happened? Listen carefully, dears. And the next one, it meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained. At the end of it all, sir would tell me to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with my pads and gloves on. Yeah, it's too difficult, children. Yeah, after winning the session, he had a great quiet satisfaction. Understand? The day was ended with quite satisfaction for him. In this session practice taught him a lot. Understand or not? In the next session practice taught there lot of things to Sachin Tendulkar. Yeah, lot of things to Sachin Tendulkar. The next session was conducted by the end of the day. The next section was conducted by the end of the day. So he was too tired to engage the last 15 minutes of the next session. In that session, he learned how to concentrate in batting, even though he was tired. Yeah, physically and mentally he worked. Understand, Kana? Physical strength and mental strength are too essential to win the match. Yeah. In the same way, in this session, he learned how to concentrate, how to pay the attention in batting even though he was tired. If he got stumped out, what happened? If Sachin Tendulkar got stumped out, he would be asked to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with pads and gloves on. It was too difficult to run, children. What was the punishment given by sir? Listen. By the means, it was the punishment. Sir asked him to wear the pads and gloves to run 2 full circuit of Shivaji Park. Yeah, it is too difficult to imagine how he was going to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park. Isn't it or not, children? Let us continue to learn the next paragraph. Listen carefully, dears. That was the last part of my training, and I would be completely exhausted by the end of it all. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. Yeah. Listen carefully, children. Morning session. It was a routine practice during the practicing time during the summer holidays. Morning session commenced at 7:30 a.m. ended at 4:30. After 30 minutes break, evening session commenced at 5. Understand, during the summer camp he learned how to build the physical strength and mental strength. Physical strength and mental strength, because even though he was tired, he paid the wholehearted attention, wholehearted devotion to play. Understand or not, Kana? Wholehearted devotion to play to win the match. That is the reason. Let us continue to learn the while reading questions. Listen carefully, yes. What did Sachin do during the 30 minutes break? What is the intense 15 minutes mentioned? Yeah. Listen carefully, children. What did Sachin do? First question, what did Sachin do during the 30-minute break? 30-minute. During the 30 minutes break, Sachin Tendulkar would eat vada pav with the money given by Sir. Understand or not, children? It is a famous fast food in Mumbai. And what is the intense 15 minutes mentioned? It is the last 15 minutes of the net session. Understand? When Sachin Tendulkar tried hard to avoid getting stumped out while batting. Do you all understand up to thought, children? Let us learn the continue part of the story, Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography, in the next class. Thank you.